Hello everyone, welcome to Tool Junkie, where we show you the right products worth your money. We've researched the most important buying factors in customer reviews to discover the right options for tools, gadgets, and products. There are tons of different products to choose from, so one can easily get carried away to get the best one according to needs. So today, we're going to be breaking down our list of most favorites and going through some of the benefits, features, performances, and prices of each model to see which might be suitable for you. Let's get started!
In this video, we'll show the 5 best Milwaukee drills on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular. Milwaukee 280420 M18 Fuel Hammer Drill. Milwaukee's 280420 18-volt cordless hammer drill is based on the 280320 model. Despite adding hammer action, it is physically the same size, and Milwaukee claims it is the most compact in its class. While the weight does increase at 4.5 pounds with a 5 amp-hour battery fitted, it remains very maneuverable. The 280420 model has a half-inch chuck, and the motor offers a single speed of up to 2000 RPM plus 1200 inch-pounds of torque. However, driver torque settings go from 14 to 24 with this model. The high-performance hammer action is rated at 32,000 blows per minute. Number 2. Milwaukee Electric Tools MLW250420 M12 Fuel Hammer Drill. At first glance, Milwaukee's 250420 looks like a very compact drill driver, ideal for DIY tasks and great for use in tight spaces. While this is true, the tool is also a hammer drill capable of delivering 25,500 blows per minute. It is a remarkable combination in a device that measures just 5.1 inches front to back. The 12-volt brushless motor uses Milwaukee's RedLink Plus system to manage power, and the tool provides terrific versatility. There are 2 speeds, 0 to 450 RPM and 1700 RPM plus 350 inch-pound of torque and 16 clutch settings. Number 3. Milwaukee 250522 M12 Fuel Installation Drill. Milwaukee's 250522 installation driver demonstrates the brand's renowned focus on tools for professionals. It comes with 4 interchangeable heads providing drilling and driving capabilities in the standard in-line position, offset, or at 90 degrees. The chuck is a 3x8 inch model and the hex drive is a standard 1x4 inch. These combine with a unique configuration to provide access to tight locations. It is just 5.12 inches long and weighs a mere 2 pounds. Milwaukee's efficient 12-volt brushless motor delivers up to 1600 RPM and 300 inch-pound of torque. Number 4. Milwaukee 280320 M18 Fuel 1x2 inch Drill. Milwaukee 280320 M18 Fuel half-inch Drill. Picking a single best Milwaukee drill from among the best Milwaukee tools is not an easy task, but the brushless 18-volt Milwaukee 280320 drill driver offers outstanding performance. It is a relatively compact drill with a half-inch chuck. The drill's peak torque of 1200 inch-pounds means it can drive large diameter bits with minimal effort. There is an auxiliary handle so it can be gripped with both hands, which underlines the power delivered. Milwaukee's integrated RedLink Plus technology manages power for more efficient battery use and prevents overload. Number 5. Milwaukee Electric Tools 259822 M12 Hammer Drill. The Milwaukee Electric Tools 259822 is another set by Milwaukee that is decent, though not necessarily as good as a top pick. The 4-mode drive control provides greater control over output speed and power for greater versatility by delivering 0 to 1300 RPM in Mode 1. According to customers, this tool is robust with high torque. Many claimed that it is great for professionals, and this set does come with everything you need, including a battery, 2 tools, and a bag.
We have included the product links in the description below for more details. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.